Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing with you some delicious and easy to make smoothie recipes that can help you lose weight, increase your energy levels, and improve your overall health. If you find the channel helpful, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. Recipe 1, Berry Blast Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup frozen mixed berries, 1 banana, 1 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon honey. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and creamy. This smoothie is high in antioxidants and fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied for longer periods of time, leading to weight loss. Recipe number 2, Green Goddess Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup kale, half cucumber, half avocado, 1 lemon, half cup water. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and creamy. This smoothie is packed with nutrients, including vitamin C and K, and can help increase your energy levels throughout the day. Recipe number 3, Tropical Paradise Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup frozen pineapple, half banana, half cup coconut milk, half cup orange juice. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and creamy. This smoothie is a great source of vitamin C, which can help boost your immune system and promote healthy skin. In conclusion, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. There you have it, 3 delicious and easy to make smoothie recipes that can help you achieve your health and weight loss goals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipe ideas. Thanks for watching. I have dropped a link in the description for you to learn more.